I bet you're wondering what I'm doing in this room here, but I'm going to be showing you my cats. I have 3 cats, and here we go. This right here is Cammy. My mother calls her Camilla. She's about 1.5 years old now, and she's very skittish. Like she runs away from me a lot, which I don't understand, but I think she's starting to come around. All right, now this right here, this cat right here, this guy's the man. This is Goofy. He behaves quite similar to a dog. Okay. Both him and Cammy are brother and sister. Look at him. This guy's a beast. Yeah. You're the man. And over here, this is the king of the house. This is Lucky. He's also the oldest in the house. He is now 7 years old. We've had him for 5 years now. And he's hanging in there. He's also a beast. He craves attention. But he won't come to you and get it. You have to come to him. And that's it. Those are all 3 of my cats. I want to hear your thoughts in the comments below, and see you later.